Now this is a similar sum, but the difference is that we are using cos this time instead of sine. So the question would be z to the power n plus 1 by z to the power n is identical to 2 cosine theta, and we have to express cos to the power 5 theta as 1 by 16 cos 5 theta plus 5 by 16 cos 3 theta plus 5 by 8 cos theta. In other words, we have to express a power of cos theta as multiple of the angle. So we do the sum in a similar way. The first thing we do is we figure out if z equals to 1, if n equals to 1, what would be the term? It would be z plus 1 by z equals to 2 cos theta if n equals to 1 from here. So that turns out to be, we are going to use z plus 1 by z to the power 5 because we have to express cos to the power 5. So it is going to be z plus 1 by z to the power 5 is, if you consider the right hand side, is identical to 2 cos theta to the power 5, and it turns out to be 2 to the power 5 cos to the power 5 theta, which is 32 cos to the power 5 theta. This is the right hand side. Now the left hand side. So this was the right hand side, now the left hand side. In the left hand side we have to break down z plus 1 by z to the power 5 using the binomial theorem. So this is going to be z to the power 5, 5c1, z to the power 4, 1 by z to the power 1, 5c2, z to the power 3, 1 by z to the power 2, 5c3, z to the power 2, 1 by z to the power 3, plus 5c4, z to the power 1, 1 by z to the power 4, plus 1 by z to the power 5. If we break this down, it would be z to the power 5 plus 5c1 is 5, z to the power 4 divided by z to the power 1 is z cubed, 5c2 is 10, z cubed divided by z square is z, plus 5c3, it's also 10, so 10 z square divided by z cubed is 1 by z, plus 5c4, that's 5, so 5z divided by z to the power 4 is 1 by z cubed, plus this is going to be 1 by z to the power 5. Let's bring the z together. So this would be z to the power 5 plus 1 by z to the power 5. Plus if we take 5 common, it turns out to be z cubed plus 1 by z cubed. If you take 10 common, it would be z plus 1 by z. So let's use the rule that the question asked for. Z to the power n plus 1 by z to the power n. Instead of that, we can write 2 cos n theta. So this is 2 cos 5 theta plus 5, 2 cos 3 theta plus 10, 2 cos theta. So this turns out to be 2 cos 5 theta plus 10 cos 3 theta plus 20 cos theta. So now we can write the right hand side and left hand side together, which is 32 cos to the power 5. Hence 32 cos to the power 5 theta is equals to 2 cos 5 theta plus 10 cos 3 theta plus 20 cos theta. If we send the 32 to the other side, it turns out to be cos to the power 5 theta 1 by 32 times 2 cos 5 theta plus 10 cos 3 theta plus 20 cos theta, which is 1 by 16 cos 5 theta plus 10 by 32 is going to be 5 by 16 cos 3 theta and 5 by 8 cos theta.